Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Family and Consumer Sciences test? This is test number 5122. Praxis 5122 is a multi-subject exam. This problem set covers the subtopic of housing and interior design. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's jump right in. Problem number 1. In terms of housing, which of the following is the purpose of insulation? To provide aesthetic appeal. Insulation is primarily functional and usually not visible, thus not intended for aesthetic purposes. To provide structural support. Insulation materials are designed to control thermal performance, not to provide structural strength or support. To prevent water infiltration. While some types of insulation can help reduce moisture penetration, their primary function is not as a waterproofing measure, so this too is not correct. To prevent heat transfer. Insulation is specifically designed to reduce the rate of heat transfer into or out of a building, helping to keep interiors warm in winter and cool in summer, which is key to energy efficiency and comfort. Therefore, the main function of insulation is to regulate temperature by preventing unwanted heat transfer between the interior of a building and the external environment. Problem number 2. What is the purpose of a bold color? The bold color is the primary color of the room and is used on walls and large pieces of furniture. The bold color is the pop that brings attention to different places in the room or provides a focal point. The bold color is a neutral that should always be incorporated to provide a place of visual rest, or the bold color is the secondary color and is used for balance and visual interest. Beginning there, while bold colors can add balance, their main role is more about creating impact and focus than mere balance. So this is incorrect. Next, the bold color is a neutral that should always be incorporated to provide a place of visual rest. Bold colors are vibrant and meant to stand out, not provide visual rest. So we can cross that out as well. At the top, the bold color is the primary color of the room and is used on walls and large pieces of furniture. Bold colors are typically too intense for large areas like walls, as they can overwhelm the space. So that is not correct. The bold color is the pop that brings attention to different places in the room or provides a focal point. Bold colors are used strategically to draw the eye and enhance room aesthetics with visual interest. Therefore, bold colors are primarily used to create focal points and attract attention in a room. Problem number 3. Which part of design planning involves bubble diagrams and analyzing space needs and functionality? Diagramming, pre-planning, programming, or block planning? Starting at the bottom, this would follow diagramming and involves more detailed planning of the space, so this is incorrect. Programming. This involves defining the project requirements and objectives, including functional needs, but does not typically involve the physical layout representations, so this is not correct either. Pre-planning. This stage includes more initial assessments and goal settings rather than the detailed spatial analysis, so we can cross that out. Diagramming. This is the correct stage for using bubble diagrams. It's where designers conceptualize the spatial relationships and functionality of different areas. Diagramming, therefore, is indeed where bubble diagrams are most relevant, particularly for visualizing and experimenting with space, functionalities, and relationships early in the design process. Problem number 4. Which type of neighborhood may be best for an older woman with chronic health issues, a need to socialize, and a dislike of noise? An apartment in the middle of the city. While this would be socially vibrant, it would be too noisy for this particular scenario. So we can cross that out. A rural neighborhood. While it would be quiet, it would lack access to the necessities of healthcare and social activities, so we can cross that out as well. A large house at the edge of the city. This would be quiet, probably, but it may require high maintenance and lack sufficient social opportunities, making it incorrect. An apartment in the suburbs. This would offer a quiet environment, good access to healthcare, and ample social opportunities, aligning with her needs for quiet, health support, and social interactions. Thus, a suburban apartment provides the ideal balance of quiet, accessibility, and social opportunities. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of housing and interior design for the Praxis 5122 Family and Consumer Sciences exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.